Hello, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make some sweet potato crisps without frying. Hope you like my recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Wash and peel a large sweet potato. Then chop it finely into thin slices as shown in the video. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of sunflower oil and mix it all well together. Place it in the air fryer and cook at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes with intermittent shaking till the crisps become crispy. Then remove and transfer it to a serving plate and enjoy the delicious and healthy crisps.